Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're focusing on Maserati Diagnostics, in particular a Maserati diagnostic tool and how you can bypass what they call a secure gateway. Now in 2019 Maserati vehicles, 2019 onwards, they do have what's called an SGW or a secure gateway fitted, which basically means that the regular diagnostic scan tools can only do so much when plugged into the OBD2 port of a vehicle. Okay, so if you were, let's say, plugging this tool here, this is a Maserati tool, and I'll pop the link to this in the description below this video. But if you are plugging this into a Maserati from say 2019, 2020, you would find that all you could do would be read module information, read fault codes, and read live data. Now that's not much use if you've got, say, a check engine light, an airbag, an ABS light that you need to diagnose and then reset once you've fixed the issue. So how do you get around that? Well, the answer is with this cable here. This is called a 12+8 connector, okay? Now what this does is this bypasses the secure gateway, okay? So effectively what you do is you take your normal scan tool and you plug it into this little connector here, okay? And then underneath the footwell, there is a special panel which you need to remove, which you should see on screen right now. And then you'll find two additional connectors or spaces or ports for an additional connector. One is a 12 pin, one is an 8 pin, okay? And by doing this, you then plug this into these two ports. This end goes to the diagnostic tool, and that allows you to bypass the secure gateway. This is kind of also known as an FCA, and it's not just Maseratis that do it, it's also like anything in the Chrysler group, so like Fiat's are doing it, and a few other manufacturers as well are starting to bring in these kind of secure gateways, but there is a way around it. So if you were interested in maybe looking at a tool to get around this, then what we'll do is we'll pop the link to these in the description below this video. This is the NT530 Plus, which is the newest version of the NT530, and we've been stocking this for a number of years for Maserati owners. And Maserati owners have had great success with this tool only up until recently, whereby we're starting to see a lot more 2019 onwards vehicles needing to be worked on, needing diagnosis tools, and unfortunately a lot of the tools out there just aren't equipped to deal with it. So this is what we use though, as I say, the 530 and the 12+8 OBD connector, and this will bypass the secure gateway. So I'll pop the links to these in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.